So today we've got a UZZ32 ECU where the caps have gone. Now these are actually quite a rare car, and I also believe these have hydraulic suspension, which is actually controlled by the ECU. So these are a little bit more complicated than the normal ones. You'll find out why in a minute. There's a lot more caps than in a 1JZ into this. So I'm basically just very carefully dismantling this just to have a look to see what the problems are. So here we go. I think we.
Right, so to start, you've definitely got a leaky one there. It looks like you've got some circuit board damage. So that's probably why you're not starting. It's actually taken quite a lot out, that leaky cap. You've also got a couple of caps down here. That one there has started to leak as well. Let me get the screwdriver out. So that one definitely needs replacing. That one, oh, see, look, I've just touched it and it's completely fallen off. See, look, I literally just touched that like that and it actually snapped. So that's your problem. Yeah, I mean, I'm going to very lightly just pull this. If this comes off, then I'll show. Look, I've literally rotten through. So yeah, it's not the worst I've seen, but it's quite bad. I've literally, you saw it, I literally just pulled that off. So now that's actually off. You can actually see the extent of the damage. So it's repairable. So I've actually cleaned up the board now. So these two are still questionable, but I might be able to repair these. But they may need replacing. Obviously that was where your cap was, and you can see the extent of the damage. So I think you've got away with it. I just need to get my multimeter out and do a resistance test. But I think you might have been lucky here. It has started to go into the processor, but it's cleaned up quite well. So providing these tracks aren't damaged, I think you've got away with it. This one definitely needs replacing. This one, you can see the damage that's started already. You've got some corrosion underneath here. Obviously I don't want to move that just in case it comes off, but you can see you've started to get corrosion around here and on that transistor there, on the middle one and the end one. So that will need cleaning up. And also this one's a bit suspect as well. You started to get corrosion on this pin, so that one's on its way out as well. So basically, I don't know how electrically minded you are, but these are basically like a little mini battery. So batteries run out in time, they don't last forever, and these are basically on a time cycle. So once they've got they hit a lifespan and that's it. So you've got this cap in here, which I can't check until I take this out, but the board's actually soldered to the housing, but it's not a problem. So you've got that one there, that one, that one, and obviously the one that was here. You've got that one there, and that one there.
So I didn't actually film replacing the caps. I didn't really see much point as I've done videos on how to replace the caps previously. As you can see, we've installed the new caps now. Some of them you'll probably notice that they are a little bit bigger than the originals. Now this is because you can't really get hold of the exact same ones as Toyota put in from original. So you can go up in voltage, you can't go down in voltage, and you have to match the UF. So I've had to go with the ones that I can find, but to be fair, the size of them is pretty irrelevant. As long as they're doing the job. Lee has already reported back that his car is now working, as he's had his ECU back, and is more than happy with the outcome. His car is fully operational again. So here you can see the extent of the damage on the caps. I believe he had two that had gone, which I'm pointing out now, and then he had four which were just starting to leak. So this is why there's no point in just changing the damaged ones, because eventually they're going to go, and this is just proof that I've done it. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, guys. Obviously, if you want to send me your ECU, send me a link in the comments. Also, look me up on Facebook, Instagram, blah 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 blah. Thanks for watching.